Hello, thanks for joining me for the 35th annual ZCON convention. It's taking place this year here in Birmingham, Alabama. Crazy to think that for 35 years, Nissan Z enthusiasts have joined together to celebrate their passion. We're going to go downstairs, check out the different Nissans throughout the generation. Now, I'm not that knowledgeable on the Z car. I know you got the 240, 260, 280. And to me, they all look the same, so I don't know what the actual difference is. But then you get into the 300ZX, and that's a beautiful car, very timeless, classic design. And then your 350, 370, and they actually have the all-new 400 horsepower Nissan Z on the floor as well. So we're going to go downstairs, check it all out, maybe talk with some people, see where they come from. I've already kind of walked the floor. I've seen some tags from Texas and Arkansas, and even as far out as Colorado. So let's go check it out. Probably no surprise that Nissan's an official partner of the ZCON for the brand new Nissan Z, making 400 horsepower. Beautiful blue color, has a blue interior, so blue on blue, black accents. Looks like the seats are race inspired, really lock you in and hold you tight for the ride. You got a track car over here. Definitely you see the older generation made into this car. Boy, especially the way I don't know if you can really tell it, but has a point on the hood. Very cool. First time I got to see one in person. I don't even know if they're actually been released to the public yet. So what else we can check out? So they seem to have the cars separated by the generations of Zs. So your early models, 240s and 280s, and then the 300s, and then so forth. So one thing I've noticed with these early models is there's a couple cars here, well, several cars. A couple have the same color. This one in particular, say an orange with a lot of metal flake inside the paint. There's another, seems to be the same color matching car right down there. I am a sucker for metallic paint jobs, but of course they never seem to pop on camera like they do in real life, so you just have to use your imagination. This one has a wide body kit on it, track purpose only. This one looks like it could be street legal. Hard to know for sure though. It has its still has its full interior, but does have racing seats. This is another metallic paint job, kind of like a root beer, almost like a copper color. And this one here, it really has. Z guys, don't hate me for this. I'm going to say Shelby stylings to it. The color, the interior, it just screams, Shelby Cobra to me. And this color is beautiful. One of my favorite colors. No matter what make and model it's on, hard to make an ugly car whenever it has this metallic green color on it. And then again, we have this metallic orange. So this is definitely another unique one. And don't kill me, guys, but I want to say that this one just screams Porsche inspired to me. So, what do you think about that idea? Seems to they're out of Georgia. I like it. And tomorrow for the event, we'll be going to, there's two different events going on tomorrow. One is Mid-Pond, which is a local drift track. And these cars seem to be from Texas, from the Lone Star Drift. I don't know if it's a club or an association, but clearly drift cars. This one is most likely a wrap, has a flat vinyl appearance to it. Plus, it being a drift car, just makes sense to put a wrap on it instead of ruining good paint. Alright, so on to my favorite generation of the Z car. Has to be the 300ZX. This one seems to be a black base color with red metal flake. This one has got to be the most unique. It's a white pearlescent metal flake color, white wheels, lots of airbrush work, and then the interior is just insane. Custom door panels. Then the audio system is really where it just, boggles your mind. Lots of fiberglass work. Even has a, I missed this the first time around, even has a screen up there. And so you got some more speakers up here. See that door panel better. So yeah, this is the craziest interior that I've seen, or audio system. This one is probably my favorite Z, but we're going to skip that one because he's actually local, and more to come on that one later time. Okay, well, given the selection, it's a very hard choice to pick out a favorite for this generation, but given the color, I like the wheels. It's pretty simple. Nothing wrong with that at all. But I want to say that this might be my second favorite, next to the local guy. Well, favorite Z. Very clean. You can definitely tell it's not a brand new car by any means, but very well kept, and just a well done car. Probably a lot of fun to drive. Seems mostly stock, and I like it. This is definitely one that I gotta show off a little bit. Lots of metal flake, but lots of custom work too. Under the engine bay, lots of carbon fiber, most likely hydrographics. So got the engine bay dressed up well. Nice wheels that's sitting pretty low, possibly on airbags. Nice clean interior. Clean system. Not overly sophisticated like the previous car. Just a very good looking, I'd say not over the top car. On to the 350Z cars. I didn't spend a whole lot of time looking at these. I was not too crazy about the 350s and 370s. I don't know, I'm just stuck on the 300s. This one has a lot of wrap done to it. Some diamond stitching in the trunk, a little mat laid down there. Some matching diamond stitching in the door panels and seats. I don't know whose autographs those are, but somebody was important enough to autograph the car. I believe Soho Motorsports is based out of North Carolina. Could be mistaken. I believe they're in one of the North Carolinas. This is seems to be a very modified car. Gutted. Fat tires on the back. I'll let you guess as what that does. Several event sponsors here, vendors. This is a free event to the public if you wanted to come out and check it out. This event couldn't be possible without these guys. I don't care who you are. Black and pink just look good together. Definitely got some hydrographics going on underneath the hood. Pink brake calipers. Nice clean car. So this 300, forgot it was hiding off over here. This one was probably my favorite actually. Again, lots of good 300s to choose from, but I don't know, this one just looks really good. And this 350, some of my favorite 350 that is here. One thing that stands out to me though is the wheels. You had like a gunmetal over there and bronze over here. Nothing wrong with that. I am interested to know why though. Well, okay, that will conclude today's event coverage. It was fun. Lots of different models and somebody's idea on what their version of a Z car is. So tomorrow they'll be at Mid-Pond or Talladega. Then there's an event going on Friday, and then Saturday it's all Nissan Infiniti car show. Probably won't get back out to any of those events until Saturday. I'm going to try to get back out there to check out all the Nissans and Infinitis that come out for the car show. Be a lot of out-of-towners and local. So yeah, look forward to that. I appreciate you watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment down below. Let me know what your favorite car was. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe button if you're interested. But yeah, until next time, I'm out of here.